Hello, this is Icon Media application. Actually, this is a mock-up right now, but developed by FlutterFlow. So you may consider this as a real application as well, because we can develop this application through FlutterFlow. So here you can see this is a sign in a screen. We have sign up screen as well. So if we give the access and we click on sign in, so we will get a new page, new screen. Okay, so if you click on any cards for performance profile, so I'm clicking on an item, so it is really redirecting to the profile page, and this is a scrollable profile page as well, and the navigation part is yet to do for the next gig actually. So I'm submitting this gig right away, and this is really interacting as a mockup that is really interactive for all other users. This is something what you can present to your customer to grow up your business, or let them see your plan before dive into the real development phase. And make a note that this is developed by FlutterFlow.